Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super practical and creative skill, how to create a custom letterhead design using Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have a polished letterhead ready to use for your business, freelance work, or even personal branding, but you'll also have a better grasp on using Canva's design tools to bring your ideas to life. So if you've ever wished your business communications looked a bit more professional and put together, stick with me and let's get started right away. First things first, open up Canva. If you don't have an account yet, it's free to sign up and only takes a minute or two. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click that big purple Create a Design button. This is where all the magic begins. Now in the search bar that pops up, type the word card. You'll see a bunch of options, but for this example, I recommend selecting business card. Even though we're making a letterhead and not a business card, using this template gives you a nice, simple starting point to work from, and you can resize and customize it later. It's a bit like starting with a sketch before doing a painting, just easier to adjust things as we go. Once you've chosen the business card template, you'll notice a variety of pre-made designs to pick from. Scroll through these templates and find one that fits the style you want. Don't worry if it isn't letterhead specific yet. The whole point is to pick a design that has the look and feel you like, whether it's clean and corporate or a bit more creative and colorful. Click on the one that stands out to you and let's move on to the next part. Now here, where we actually incorporate the letterhead element, look to the menu bar on the left and click on Elements. In the search box at the top of this panel, type in letterhead. You'll see tons of cool options, everything from basic borders to more elaborate header graphics. Choose one that you think would suit your needs. For example, if you want something minimalist, go for clean lines and simple shapes. If you're representing a creative business, maybe try out something with a bit of color or a unique graphic. Just click to add it to your design workspace. To give your letterhead an eye-catching, balanced look, here's a neat trick. Make a duplicate of the letterhead element you just added. Click on it once to select it, then right-click and select Duplicate. Now you should have two identical copies. Next, with the second copy selected, hit the Flip button on the top menu. Usually there's a little icon with two triangles or the word Flip. Choose to flip it vertically or horizontally, depending on your design. This creates a mirrored effect, almost like bookends for your layout, giving the top and bottom of your page a cohesive, professional style. It's a subtle touch, but it makes a big difference, kind of like adding matching shoes and a belt to a nice outfit. If you're new to Canva, don't worry if things don't look perfect right away. Take a few moments to adjust the letterhead elements, nudge them into position, and experiment with colors or fonts until it feels just right. Design is all about trial and error, so feel free to get creative and personalize it. After all, this is your letterhead, and that's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've created a polished, customized letterhead design that you can use across your business or personal documents. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to share your finished design, leave a comment below. I'd love to check it out and help out if you get stuck. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical design tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy designing.